my follow-up video on Q#. I will be using Visual Studio Code. This video is meant to show you the basic variables available to use in Q#. I will be showing you the non-quantum variables that will be used in your programs. So don't expect to see qubits or poly variables in this video. However, before we begin, I will show how to install the Quantum Development Kit on Visual Studio's Code version. It is simple. Simply click on the extensions icon in the sidebar. Next, search up Microsoft Quantum Development Kit and click Enable. First, there is how you leave comments in your code. This is identical to how you leave a single-line comment in JavaScript. It starts with 2 slashes and ends when the line ends. The integer variable type is declared with capital INT. The variable name equals and then the value before ending with a semicolon. This value is a number with no decimal place values. There is also the double variable type, similar to the integer variable type, however it is a number with 2 decimal places. It is declared with double with a capital D and everything else is the same as before. There is the most basic variable type, the Boolean, which is a representation of a single classical bit. This variable can only have the values true, being a 1 or on, and false, being 0 or off. This variable is declared with capital B, bool. Finally, we have what I would consider the last of basic variable types. The string variable is a group of letters and other keyboard characters. Declared with capital S string, variable name, equals, value and semicolon. This variable is slightly different as the value must be surrounded by double quotes. There are 2 more types of slightly more complex variables. First are arrays. These are lists of variables. They are declared with the same keyword as would be used to declare the variable type you wish to list, followed by a set of square brackets. Then the values of the variable are enclosed within square brackets and separated by commas. The next is technically not a variable but a way to create your own custom variables. To create a new variable type, you declare new type with no capitals. Next, state the name of this new variable type that you will declare later to create a variable of the type you are creating. The value is enclosed by round brackets and ended by a semicolon. In the brackets you list the keywords you would use to declare a variable in the order you want them, separated by commas. To create a variable of this custom type, just declare the name of this variable type followed by the variable name, equals, and then a set of brackets and the values of each type variable in the order you set. Once again end with a semicolon. As a heads up to those wanting more Q# videos, they may be a while. I will continue to put out videos, but I seem to experience technical problems every time I delve into Q#, so if my current timeline is anything to go off of, see you in another 4 months. Until then, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave any thoughts in the comments. If you have any problems, I will try to help.